Say hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Did you just go down and see Santa?
Do you want to remind Santa what you want for Christmas?
Tell I want some.
You gotta say it loud, Caroline. Say it loud. I can't hear you. You gotta say it loud.
Tell I want Stompy.
Caroline wants Stompy, Santa. Was Santa nice, Caroline? I was so proud of you. You didn't cry at all. You were so good.
Cry.
Yeah, you didn't cry at all. You were so good.
Santa gave you a book too, right?
Yeah, look at that book.
Nice one.
A present from Santa. Your first present from Santa.
Caroline Santa gave you a book. It's like a good one. We'll read it tonight before we go to bed.
Was it a good one, Caroline? It's a good one. Is Santa your friend? He's your friend. All right, you ready to go get some dinner?
Yeah.
Let's hit Legal Seafood. Let's do it. Yeah, we do first.